This channel is making $16,000 monthly posting automated short videos. Take note, it's just the least they are making. Based on the data from no ex-influencer and Social Blade, they could be making hundreds of thousands on sponsorships and more. Let's watch their latest video.
This animal has a built-in flashlight in its body.
Basically, they're just telling interesting facts about animals. This could be you with just an internet connection, laptop, and 10 minutes. Here's how. Go to ChatGPT, ask it to name 10 interesting animals, then choose any animal that you like. After that, ask ChatGPT to write 30 to 50 words with interesting facts about your chosen animal. You can make it longer if you like. Then copy those words on your clipboard. Head to play.ht by clicking the link on my description. This is what you'll see in your screen. Now, if you already have an account, click log in. Or if this is your first time here, click create free AI voiceover. Then enter your details, or in my case, I just sign up with Google. You'll see this after you've signed in. Now, click create audio and choose ultra realistic voice. Then paste your script into the text box. Larry is their default AI voice, but you can choose another voice by clicking it. Their voices vary from gender, accent, age, style, tempo, and more, which you can see on the header part. Now you can try playing different voice samples until you find one you prefer. I'll use Cooper for mine. To choose it, simply click the name. You can see this button on the side. Click it and choose Apply to all paragraphs. You can change the speed as well, but I'll use the default normal speed. If you're done customizing your voice, click Confirm. On this side, you can see a green button saying Generate Preview. Click it and wait for a few seconds. Once it's done generating, click Play button and review the voice.
These animals are the largest members of the cat family and are native to Asia.
If you don't like it, you can do the process we did earlier and make some adjustments. Once you're satisfied with it, click this button to download your file. It will download a WAV file, but don't worry, it's still supported for our next step. Head to Canva. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up. In Canva's search bar, type in YouTube Shorts, click it, then click Create Blank File. On the left sidebar, click Upload, then upload the WAV file you just downloaded. Once it's uploaded, hold on to it and drag it to your work area. If your audio file is compressed, click on this white blank page and drag it. Then hold and drag your audio to its full length. Now let's look for copyright-free visuals. Here are free websites that offer copyright-free stock footage. I'll use Pexels for mine. If you can find your desired visual there, simply look for it in other websites. Now on Pexels search bar, I'll search for tiger. Since we are using these for shorts, click Filter, All Orientations, then choose Vertical. In that way, we won't have to spend more time cropping those pictures. Now I can easily find what I'm looking for. Simply select the photos you find relevant. Here's a tip. You don't have to download photos. Simply hold on the photo and drag and drop it to Canva's website. Now let's find video clips as well. For the videos, you have to download and upload it manually. Don't worry, it will only take seconds or minutes, depending on your internet speed. Click Add Page and adjust your clips. Drag and drop your video and rearrange the pages to your liking.
Family and are native to Asia, where they can be found in a range of habitats.
If your video has its original sound, click volume and drag it to 0 to mute it. Head back to Pexels and look for more photos and videos to match your audio's length. After that, click an image. Right-click or press more, then set image as background. Do the same for everything else. Let's say you're done. It's time to add background music. Let's use YouTube's very own audio library. Click your profile, YouTube Studio, then Audio Library. There's a wide range of tracks you can choose from and it's all for free. To make it easier, let's filter it out. Click this button, choose Genre, check Ambient, then Apply. Now listen and search for the one you like. I'll choose this. I'll click this download button to save my copy. Head back to Canva once it's done, then drag and drop it to your project. Adjust the position to match it with the rest. Now let's take a look at what we've created so far.
Tigers are magnificent big cats that are known for their beauty, power, and strength. These animals are the largest members of the cat family and are native to Asia, where they can be found in a range of habitats, from tropical forests to snow-covered mountains.
If you think it's ready, download your file. Great job, but it's still missing something. We need subtitles. To get auto-generated subtitles, head to v.io. I included along with other links I've mentioned. Check it on the description. Since I already have an account, I get directed here. Click New Video, Create Project, then upload your video file. Alright, on the left sidebar, click Subtitles, then Auto Subtitle. There are 100 plus languages supported here, but I'll choose English. Wait for a few seconds to generate your subtitles, then play the video once it's done.
Tigers are magnificent big cats that are known for their beauty, power, and strength.
Perfect. If you like to change the style, click Styles. You can change the preset or choose your own font style and size, colors, animation, and more. I'll stick with this. Now play back your video and review it.
Tigers are magnificent big cats that are known for their beauty, power, and strength.
If you think some texts are delayed, just do a few adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the outcome, click Done, then Export Video. Wait for a few seconds. Now download the file and choose the format MP4. Now let's compare our video to the concept one.
This animal has a built-in flashlight in its body. Meet the firefly, the lightning bug. Lampyridae is a family of beetles with more than 2,000 species, many of which are light-emitting. They are soft-bodied beetles, commonly known as fireflies, lightning bugs, or glowworms.
Tigers are magnificent big cats that are known for their beauty, power, and strength. These animals are the largest members of the cat family and are native to Asia, where they can be found in a range of habitats, from tropical forests to snow-covered mountains.
Lastly, upload your video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and consider sharing it. I'll be posting more videos to help you make money for free, so hit subscribe and all notifications to be the first to know. Remember, it's not about ideas, it's about making ideas happen.